Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. First, we hit 1,000 subscribers, so yay! I'm so excited. It took us so long to get there and it's been quite the journey, but I'm so excited. Oh, we have a visitor coming to see me. If you hear pit-pats, that's Daisy. She's walking around, but I'm so excited about the 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe we finally got here. I would love to continue to grow this family bigger and larger and really see where we can go and take it from here. So I'm so grateful for all of you guys for supporting me and being the best subscribers in the world and being so sweet and loving, and I love you guys so much. Now, I know that's not what you guys are here for. I have a pretty casual outfit going for what we're going to film today. But I did take a poll on the new community tab, so if you go to my channel, if I post like a question, it just show up in your feed. And I took a poll of what video you guys wanted to see next, and the one that won is another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So last week I went to New York, I did some luxury shopping, and I promise this is the last luxury sort of video you'll see from me in a while. I'm only going to post this one. The other ones that I did have on that poll, I'm just going to take a back seat. If you guys ever want to see those, or if you guys really want to see those, then comment down below. One of them was a mulberry bag unveiling, and the other one was my Chanel SLG or small leather goods haul, because I have 5 items from Chanel that are smaller that I've been wanting to share with you guys, but I didn't want to overwhelm you. So this is going to be my last big one. If you guys do want to see those, let me know, but for right now I'm kind of thinking that we'll start to wean off of these for just a little while, take a little back seat, and maybe hop into some new Disney and makeup videos. But without further ado, I know this has been a quite big intro, but I am so excited to show you the next Louis Vuitton bag that I have added to my collection. So if you guys want to see this, just keep on watching. So this bag is a bag that's been on my wish list for quite a few years now. It's a bag that was, I think it was out for a while, but then they kind of reinvented it, or they kind of revamped it, I guess. And it came back out, I want to say 2 years ago. And since then, it's gone off the shelves like hotcakes. They've come up in like limited edition versions of it. They've come out with different leather versions of it. And I really liked this one. And this is one of the first ones that they came out with. And apparently it's almost impossible to keep on the shelves or keep stocked. They said that when I got mine, it was there was only 2 in the whole country, and mine was one of them. So I lucked out. They do constantly bring these back, so just keep your eyes out. You know, talk to your SA and see if they can put you on a list or a waiting list for it. But it is a very sought after bag. So it comes in this big box. I left the ribbon on it, but trust me, it's been out of the box since I purchased it. But this is a beautiful and exciting thing to add to my collection. So just as always, the Louis Vuitton boxes come with the kind of magnetic cardboard closure box, and then inside we've got the dust bag, the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Every bag comes with a dust bag, just like all other luxury goods. And inside is the Louis Vuitton Reverse Monogram Pochette Metis. So this bag is almost impossible to find. The regular monogram, and the reverse monogram are very hard to find. When we were in Chicago, my mom got the regular monogram. It was her first ever big Louis Vuitton luxury purchase, probably her only ever Louis Vuitton purchase. She's not like a big luxury person, but she wanted to treat herself. And when she got it, I was so jealous because I was like, that's been my dream bag. Like, I really wanted it. But I knew that I wanted it in this variation. So I am so blessed that they had this. So the reverse monogram, if you guys are unfamiliar with Louis Vuitton, this is the coated canvas material. It's extremely durable, will wear very well over time, and it can really just hold its time very well and its value very well. So this is the regular monogram, and then the reverse is just the 2 colors that are in the regular monogram reversed. And the reverse monogram comes from the front, and it carries all the way to the back of the bag with the zip in the back. And the zip in the back is like perfect for, you know, like your phone or things that you need easy access to. The inside is a suede in the back pocket. It's like a black suede material back here, and it's just nice and big. It really does take up the whole back area here, which is really nice. The handle, the top handle part of the bag is black leather, which is very nice because the regular Monogram has a vachetta. I always say it wrong. I think it's the vachetta leather or the vachetta strap. And what's also nice is the accents for me are all this black leather, and the strap itself is the reverse Monogram. So let me put the strap on here so you guys can see it. So I just attached the crossbody strap. It is an adjustable strap, as you can tell. I like to wear my crossbody straps pretty low. I am 5'3", 5'4", and it hits me perfectly. This is the reverse Monogram coated canvas as the strap, and what I like about that is that I don't have to really worry. I mean, I still have to worry about like watermarks and stuff, but when you have the vachetta leather, it can patina over time, and it can also get stained by the water and create, it like kind of caramels over time if you do it well, but if you get water stains, it can kind of create like a splotching effect, and I'm very weird about my bags and I don't want to have to worry about that. So I was very excited that this one comes with the reverse Monogram and the black accents. So that is that. The gold hardware is the accents, and then the bag opens with a closure, so you just push these sides in and it pops open. And then this is the inside, so the reverse Monogram follows to the inside of the bag. And then inside there are 3 sections. You got this kind of thinner pocket in the back here, maybe to slide in your wallet or something thin, like maybe an agenda. Like this could really hold quite a bit. It's a pretty big bag, probably the biggest bag I own. Then the middle pocket is obviously the main compartment. You can fit quite a bit in here. And then the front is a little bit thinner, but still a bigger compartment than the back. So when you close the bag, you just close and you push down right there, and it's going to close the bag. The main concern with this bag is that it's hard to push the clasp in, but if you pay attention when you go to, if you choose to get this, or if the people who buy it pay attention, they say to push on the LV. So when you push in, don't push down here because it's not going to go in. If you push it on the LV, that's when it clasps shut. So that's really, really important. This bag is so stunning. This runs pretty expensive. This was $1,800, I believe, with tax, and it's kind of tricky because right now, because these sell out so easily on the shelves or in stock at like your Louis Vuitton, if you don't put your name on a wait list, it's hard to get one at a reasonable price, because even though I love secondhand or pre-loved bags, as you guys know, I've told you very frequently that I love to buy pre-loved bags from Fashion File, and I've bought quite a few luxury goods from Fashion File, but Fashion File has these bags, if they're in excellent or new condition, going for $2,500 plus. So it's quite a substantial increase in price because it is so sought after and it's so hard to find. So just keep that in mind. So if you are trying to get this bag on the second-hand market, this is worth $1,800, and yeah, so just keep that in mind. But this is my dream bag. I'm so excited. I finally have like a bag that's kind of big enough to carry a lot, but still small enough that it's a crossbody and I can still, you know, keep it casual. This is so nice to wear every day. It's a really casual looking bag, but when you do take off the straps, if you wanted to just carry this top handle, I feel like you can make it kind of evening. You can kind of dress it up a little bit, especially because it has those black accents, and I just think that's so nice. So I really like this bag for the versatility of it, and I feel like I could just get so much use out of it, and I'm going to love this bag forever and ever. I am so lucky that I got my hands on it, especially knowing that it is so sought after. So I know this video was pretty quick, but I just wanted to share with you my new baby. This is my dream bag. I could not be happier with my purchase. I honestly don't think I need anything else in my collection right now. I'm really satisfied with what I have, the range of products I have, and I could not be happier. So You won't be seeing a ton of these videos. Again, if you do want to see those other two that I mentioned, just comment down below, let me know, because I will make them if that's something you guys want to see, but I really don't want to flood your inbox of my videos with a ton of luxury unboxings. I know a lot of you guys did not come here for that, so also let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. If you want me to kind of dive into some Disney stuff or some makeup stuff. There's quite a few things that I have been picking up and trying out, and I'm really excited to share those things with you. And I also have quite a few experiences to go through. I've been dealing with a lot of stuff, and not all of it's really pretty, but I'd love to share that with you as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. I would love for you guys to join my growing family. And again, thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I could not be happier, and I love you all so much. Have a great day, guys. Bye.